The fourth and last type of speaker label is the pre-recorded speaker label. This speaker label is used when we hear speech coming from a machine, such as the Google Assistant or Amazon's Alexa, or, for an example, an elevator floor announcement. Also, any recording within the recording, such as the singing in a song played in the background, should be labeled as pre-recorded. A recording within the recording can be when a speaker plays a video of themselves. So, for the purposes of this tutorial, let's say that speaker 1 does an introduction to his video here.
চীনের খাবারের সুনাম বিশ্বজুড়ে।
They next play a video of themselves in which the speaker
আমাদের দেশেও চীনা খাবারের কদর
again.
কম নয়।
We would create a new speaker label here and we'll name the speaker pre-recorded speaker 1. We would adjust the text to fit the speech. Even though it is the same person, we would label it as pre-recorded speaker 1 since this is seen as being a recording within the recording. Just as was the case with the numbered speakers, these speaker labels should contain a number which signifies the order in which the pre-recorded speakers appear in the task. The first pre-recorded will be pre-recorded speaker 1, the second will be pre-recorded speaker 2, etc. Note that these speakers never contain a name. So, even if you hear a song and you maybe know who the singer is, you should not include the name in the speaker label.